Wow.
Yep, there he goes.
Yeah. You gotta try this.
I can't wait.
Oh, hi. Hey team, Chef Eric here, hope all is well. I'm thinking back to my days when I was traveling across Southern California and I would go into butcher shops and they'd have these incredible pulled tri-tip sandwiches. So I've never seen anybody except for these 1 or 2 butcher shops do it, right? I've always seen the reverse sear on a tri-tip or the sear to medium rare and then splay it out, but I've not seen anyone except for these 2 butchers actually cook it to a point where it was shreddable and it was just absolutely stunning. So we've got a tri-tip from E3 Meats, and I love the size of this. It's a smaller tri-tip, which tells me they're slaughtering at a lower hot carcass rate, which means it's a younger animal. It's gonna be more tender. There's great intermuscular fat, AKA marbling on here. So I think we have a strong chance of success at getting this to a shredding point. And this might be the next big thing. I'm telling you, it is absolutely delicious. I've got some Southwestern ingredients going on here. I've got some guajillos, which are really, really stunning, big flavor profile. Jalapeno, some garlic, tomatoes, onions, cilantro. We're gonna put a little red wine and a little beef broth and treat this like a braise. So we're also gonna sneak in a little hickory, and I've just had it here sitting on the grill, and look, we're already smoking. That's not the right kind of smoke though, I promise you. So let's go ahead and kick this in to the hottest portion of our coals and get some smoke going before we even sear this beef. Wood chunk is in, and look, right off the bat, we've got combustion. Thank goodness for good airflow. Okay?
Speaking of airflow.
Yeah, this wind is ripping. I'm gonna put a little oil in our pan here, and we're gonna season up this tri-tip today with a Lane's Barbecue chili lime seasoning. These guys do such a fantastic job of just using super fresh ingredients. Gotta play the wind. You know, that lime, that chili lime is really good in the eyes, I tell you.
They get you?
It got me a little bit, yeah. And we're gonna lay this away from us. Whenever you're using a pan that has oil in it, you never drop something towards you or you're gonna get burnt hands. Been there, done that. So we're gonna draw and lay it away from us. The little test there tells us that we're at a nice searing temperature, and we lay away. Now as that's searing up, and notice we've got complete combustion down here on our wood chunk, I'm gonna move this baby to the center, and as it's searing, we're gonna get the smoke kicking in there. So we're gonna get a nice smoke sear as that's going, and we're gonna leave the lid off as we're braising with that smoke chunk going as well. So we're gonna get a nice hint of smoke throughout this whole entire cook. Super excited. Oh yeah. And let's get serious about this. We could cook this to a point where it was medium rare and slice into it and it'd be fantastic, okay? But I wanna do something a little different. I wanna elevate our tri-tip game. I wanna give us another option. Onions play a really important role here. They're gonna bring just an amazing sweetness to the dish, okay? Those guajillos are gonna bring this elevated flavor profile that screams the Southwest. I'm gonna get rid of these seeds. They carry so much bitterness. But when it comes to the jalapeno, we're gonna leave the seeds in there. I'm telling you, eat like a local, yeah? That's a beautiful thing. Those fresh seeds are not nearly as bitter as the dried guajillo. I like to use dried chili peppers. They just bring such a different flavor profile. We could toast these if we wanted to, right next to our braising pan and then throw them in. But I think we're gonna get a great flavor profile just blooming them in the beef stock and red wine. And I got a pretty small pan, so I'm worried, thinking back to Jaws, we're gonna need a bigger boat. Let's leave our prep at that and see if we can squeeze all of that into the pan with the tri-tip. Come on, check out this pan. We're gonna deglaze with the red wine. Yeah, the aromas are incredible. Look at that caramelization. You know, everybody in this little party right now is playing their own individual role, but as it comes together, it's just gonna be this incredible, robust, beefy, cumin-y, if that's a word, I don't think it is, we're gonna add some cumin now, just symphony of flavor.
Symphony of flavor, I love that.
Now we're gonna add the beef broth. We've got a fair amount of smoke from the smoke sear. That cumin is singing my song right now. All right, we're all in. So let's go ahead and close this dome so everything can happen in there. We're gonna capture more of that hickory smoke, and in 4 hours, we're gonna check back. Again, 325 to 350 degrees for 4 hours. Will it shred? We'll find out. 30 minutes now, and I like the smoke I'm smelling. The aromas are absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and put this lid on, but I'm gonna leave it slightly off so that some of that liquid can reduce. This is like the best, most delicious experiment ever. 3.5 hours at 325 on the dot. Let's take a look. Yeah, some little bubbles there, a little steam action. Holy bajoli. Just kind of clearing away.
Will it pull?
Yeah, okay, all right, okay. That's ridiculous. I think we're gonna start seeing this more and more. The smoke sear was a lot of fun. Look at that bark, that crust that we've created. Let's go, oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and, let's just shred it in here. I've got 2 forks, and we've got the cooking liquid that it was in, and you can see how easy. That's crazy town. That's crazy town. I really didn't have a plan for plate up with this. The whole thing was just this little will it pull, like a game show, yeah? Got a couple flour tortillas here. Just want to wake up a little bit. In fact, I'll go in a little of that cuisson.
Oh dang, now you're talking.
Oh, I ripped it, that's okay. Yeah. Good, good, good. I'm not even gonna plate it. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm just gonna eat it. I get one shot at this, guys. I'm gonna garnish with more tri-tip. Here we go. This is it's been a while since the anaconda came out, so you gotta posture yourself, and you gotta unhinge the jaw, right? Wow.
Yep, there he goes.
Yeah. You gotta try this.
I know, I can't wait.
Oh, hi. I mean, for a 3.5 hour turnaround, why wouldn't you do this? You know, that is stunning. That is stunning. So, I got nothing else to say. I don't want to just go on and on about this. Folks, if you enjoyed this recipe video, subscribe. If you want more cutting edge, elevated techniques that are just really super simple and super fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and let me know where you saw pulled tri-tip first, okay? But give it a shot. This is an absolutely stunning and super simple dish. Don't forget, you can find the full recipe on the YouTube channel if you're seeing this somewhere else on the Kamado Joe YouTube channel. A new video comes out every single Saturday. Thank you so much for joining us. We really, really appreciate you guys. From our backyard to yours, happy grilling, team.